guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today, we'll be looking at how to play that ever-popular Coffin dance meme tune, otherwise known as Astronomia, and how to play it on a diatonic harmonica. In this tutorial, we'll be using bends, but don't worry, if you can't do bends, I've left some links in the description below, and if you can't figure those out, I will be uploading a version of this song that you can play on your diatonic harmonica without using bends. So let's jump straight into it. Here is what the Coffin dance meme tune, or Astronomia, looks like when it's written down in the key of A minor. And this is how it sounds. A E D C B B B D C B A C B C B C A C B C B C C C C C E E E E D D D D G G G G A D C B G, and then you go back to the beginning of the song. This tune's so catchy, yes it is, it's really cool. Anyway, let's take a close look at phrase 1. Breathe in through 3 and bend the note to produce the A twice. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 4 and blow into 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 3 to produce B 3 times. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 4. Breathe in through 3. And breathe in through 3 and bend the note to produce the A twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 7. Breathe in through 7. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 7. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 3 and bend the note to produce the A twice. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 7. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 7. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 4 4 times. Blow into 5 4 times. Breathe in through 4 4 times. And blow into 6 4 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, breathe in through 6 4 times. Breathe in through 6 another 4 times. And breathe in through 6 another 4 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, breathe in through 4, blow into 4, breathe in through 3 to produce B, and blow into 3. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, don't forget to watch out for part 2 of this tutorial, in which I'll show you how to play this without bends on your diatonic harmonica. And remember guys, if you're the type that prefers to have some tabs in front of you when you're learning how to play the harmonica, don't forget to click on the link below to my tabs list, where I am constantly adding new tabs for you to learn. Until next time, stay tuned.
Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.